You are Dakota Mullen.
Yes.
Correct? Ms. Mullen, you were served personally with a subpoena by the court bailiff on May 29th, 2025. You were ordered by the subpoena to appear on June 4th, 2025 at 1 o'clock p.m. Do you recall that?
Honestly, with all the subpoenas I've gotten over the past month and a half, I do not recall.
I don't want to hear that, Ms. Mullen. I don't want to hear it.
I understand.
She was the victim in the Headley case, right? Or alleged victim?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Poor excuse, Ms. Mullen. So I want to know why you weren't here that day.
I
And
cannot.
tell me the truth.
I truly cannot recall the day.
I don't recall, Mr. Lewis, did Ms. Headley's case got dismissed, right? Because of her, Ms. Mullen's failure to participate or appear?
No, Ms. Headley's case we're having a hearing on it today, Your Honor.
Oh,
Yeah,
maybe that's why I scheduled it
it's a
today. Well, Ms. Mullen, you're not going anywhere. I'm not going to take action on the contempt until I'm assured from Mr. Lewis that you are actively cooperating with him, but I am directing you to cooperate, and that's what a subpoena is for. I will address the contempt proceeding here shortly. I took a recess to allow Ms. Headley's case to go forward. Mr. Lewis, did you find Ms. Mullen's participation to be cooperative?
Yes, Your Honor. Today's participation was she was cooperative, yes.
Okay. What's your position with respect to holding her in contempt of court because she forgot?
Your Honor, I agree with the court's decision to go forward with this miscellaneous charge, and I think that she should be held in contempt of court. She did not give a reasonable excuse.
Okay, Ms. Mullen, what would you like to say in response?
I'm not too sure. I just had the traffic court and all of these, and it's no excuses. It's so bad.
Are you high?
No, I'm just really upset right now. Because hearing my mom's payments and then my fines and my previous fines and fines from it without me being able to find a job and no other income other than her, it's a lot.
Well, we've had some experiences with you, Ms. Mullen, over the past month or two. You've testified recently in another case. I can't even remember which case it was. Seems like you've appeared before this court quite often here in the last few months. I just don't like your appearance. I am going to hold you in contempt of court for failing to appear on June 4th, 2025. I'm going to suspend 30 days of jail, but I am going to order today that you submit to a urine drug screen, and I am going to, once I see the results of that urine drug screen, call you back into the courtroom, and then we'll decide complete the sentence with respect to probation. The results did match what my suspicions were. You tested positive for ecstasy, benzos, amphetamines, methamphetamines, and marijuana. Are you currently receiving the treatment services of any substance abuse or mental health agency?
I was working with Signature Health after I got out of the hospital in December. I did not follow through, but I would like to go back to them if I get recommended.
Okay, I will, as I said, I'm going to place her on supervised probation with this court, submit to a comprehensive diagnostic assessment at Signature Health, and successfully comply with any recommended course of treatment. She's not to go into any bar or liquor establishment for the term of her supervised probation, which will be 2 years. Okay, Ms. Mullen, over the next 2 years, you're going to be on probation with us.
I was planning on going back to dancing clubs, which I don't know if they serve alcohol or not. Am I allowed to?
First off, a bar is a bar is a bar. And so when I order you to stay out of a bar, that means to stay out. Now, if you really want to make that request to me, I want to see the letter from your prospective employer offering you a job on their letterhead, and I want you to make a written request for me that you would like to be able to go to work there. See, we don't operate on speculation. I want to see an offer, and then I'll consider it. And I'm telling you, depending on the place that I'm thinking you're asking me to allow you, it's probably going to be a no. Perhaps you might want to look at other more productive employment